Another pick a card readings, and this is about a decision. So, kung medyo hindi mo alam kung anong mga sagot sa mga katanungan mo, nagdadalawang isip ka sa mga bagay-bagay, or tama ba tong mga decision mo about a person, a situation, whatever it is, think of one question na you feel like parang tama ba tong decision mo or hindi. Okay? I have here two options. Option number 1, ito, and option number 2, ito. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. You can still pause the video. Okay? And isipin mo mabuti kung ano tanong ang gusto mo itanong. Okay? Na ang tanong na pwede natin i-answer into yes or no. Tama ba ang decision mo sa sitwasyong mong ito? If you are ready, let's start with number 1. Okay. Ito yung number 1 natin. So, tama ba ang decision mo? Okay. So, ang lumabas sa cards is the 10 of Pentacles. So, tama ba ang decision mo? Yes. Definitely it's a yes. This is a big yes. Okay. If this is about money, if this is about relationship, lahat, this is overall happiness and joy. Money is coming in. Relationship, okay, career, this is all good card talaga for you. Kung may mga minamanifest ka or may mga opportunities ka, may new business ka na gusto mong gawin, na tinatanong mo kung tama pa ang decision mo, this is definitely a yes. May bibigay talaga to, makaka-earn ka din talaga dito at makikilala ka din, okay? And I always notice this person, no? For some of you, marami din na makaka-notice, marami din ang parang matitingala sa'yo. Marami ang a-amaze sa anong nangyayari sa buhay mo. Marami ang susuporta din sa'yo. Okay? So, for pile number 2, is it a yes or a no? Tama ba ang decision mo? It's a no. Okay? It's a no kasi this is a chariot in reverse. So, for some of you, hindi naman talagang 100% no. For some of you, there's just a delay. Kung travel man ito. Kung travel lang ito, medyo sinasabi dito na no. It's because usually ito yung the card of accident. So, be careful ka. So, this is a sign na huwag ka padalos-dalos sa mga decision mo. Or this is your sign kung you are going to travel. So, better check, double check mo yung sasakyan mo, kung anong sinasakyan mo. You better double check lahat. Okay? So, if this is about a career, a negosyo, trabaho na pinapasukan mo, so I feel like this is an energy of sinasabi na you're not yet there, parang you're not really ready, or there's an energy of fear ang nakikita ko, and that's why sinasabi dito, wag muna, hindi pa ito yung right time, okay? This is about relationship. Someone is not yet moving forward, hindi pa nakaka-move on. Yun. So, for your overall question, this is a no, a delay, a protection na wag muna kasi you are being protected right now, and this is your sign na makinig ka na sa intuition mo, don't second guessing yourself, okay? So, yun lang ang reading natin for today. So, I hope may nasagot ako sa mga katanungan nyo. I hope na mas naging clear sa inyo ngayon. By the way, I am Empress Soul. You can still follow me and comment nyo down there kung taga saan kayo or ano yung mga questions na gusto nyo itanong. May tikaw na yung ang susunod na i-reading ko. God bless you and see you on my live.